Today I am in Montreal, a city in Quebec province of Canada. What's up? This is Abdul from flyingtoworld.com. So guys, it is Canada's 150th birthday and celebrations are going on here in Toronto, Queen's Park, Toronto right now. I'm in Queen's Park, Toronto in downtown. So I will show you some of the celebrations here. It is not an ordinary day. It is a special day for all the Canadians because Canada is now 150 years old. So let's see some of the celebrations here. So guys, it was the nice firework about Canada's 150th birthday. I hope you enjoyed. Now we are going back.
Daylight. Yeah, it must be. Fixture in Toronto skyline. We're taking a little bit of a detour because of some traffic that we're hitting here. So we're going to miss the Air Canada Centre. But I want to tell you folks about it. ACC, or the Air Canada Centre, is where 3 professional sports teams play. So we've got the NHL team, a hockey team, the Toronto Maple Leafs. We've got a basketball team, which really takes my breath away. And the first ever triple transplant, where they did a lung, kidney, and a liver all at the same time. And over here to the right-hand side, we have Mount Sinai Hospital. Stop at one of the 21 designated areas for stopping. You'll be able to go ahead and move around the coach, choose a new seat, go upstairs or go downstairs if you so like. But please, while the bus is in motion.
Toronto Burg. So we have a bridge named after them, and they have a bridge named after us. Earlier though, I did not mention the body of water that was
in front of Toronto Waterfront, which is also called Toronto Harbor. And just going to take the harbor boat tour here, which comes free with the bus tour if you get that.
Front that I like to mention is this one on our right hand side, that beige building. If you take a look at it now, you can see the sunlight glinting off the panes of glass. So the Rogers Centre here is home to the Blue Jays, our baseball team. Now when it is not a stadium for the Blue Jays, it's actually also a concert venue. The area is so large, however. See a couple of buildings. Now that white building over there, which is currently behind the Oriole, that white building is called the Harbourfront Centre, and it belongs to an arts and cultural centre. So because of that, they're dedicated to the promotion of arts and culture. So they actually host a number of festivals for us here in the summertime.
At least like
University Toronto. This is University of Toronto in Toronto, Canada. Very beautiful. This is the garden of the university, and you can see all the departments in the background. Chinatown there. Chinatown. This is located in the downtown Toronto on Spadina Avenue. So if you are looking for low price shopping and for different restaurants, Asian restaurants, then you don't miss this place, Chinatown.
Toronto stands for tourists. Only you guys say Toronto. Imagine being a tour guide and all day long you're there. Toronto is the largest city in Canada. Toronto had we finished 4th overall. This year we're not playing so good, but it's a long season. They play 162 games. You guys from Norway, my Swedes on the bus, my Brazilians, my Mexicans, you guys. The key word about Canada and especially Toronto, diversity. What was the hottest day last year? With me on Saturday, and they said, Alex, we were here in 05. There was no construction, and they're right. You see, there's like stairs. There's 8 blocks altogether that hoist the ships up.
Oh, no. No. There's so many people here today at Niagara Falls, and the reason is simple because it is summer and a sunny day and there are a lot to do at this place. Really have some place, really enjoying the time here.
Off my shoulder, saying all things you used to say, and make the world go away.
Shame could even over. Beautiful trees and greenery in Canada's Ontario province. Just beautiful. Did you enjoy the Canada Day?
Yeah, very much. But I cut it short because it rained in the end.
Oh,
All the time. Rain, 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 rain.
here as well.
Yeah. A lot of rain here.
Yeah, in Toronto also.
Oh,
Every
yeah.
second day raining.
Yeah.
So where did you come from here?
I came from Montreal, but yeah,
You came from Montreal.
yes. I finished my school in Montreal.
Mm.
I worked a little bit in Montreal. So where do you live permanently? You don't live permanently in
In
Toronto?
Canada, yes, I live in Pakistan.
Oh, you're coming from Pakistan?
Yeah,
Oh,
very far.
Yeah.
One hand. Oh yeah.
So this is the hostel that I'm staying here in Ottawa. I'm basically staying in this. They have two places for rooms. This one is the main. Its name is Ottawa Bakers Inn. Very unique hostel. I will show you my room as well, but here you can see this nice hostel. How are you?
Good. How are you?
Just recording a video of your hostel
Oh, okay.
for place. Really unique style, especially for bakers, and place for sitting. China. Hey, so the bed space I'm showing in my room. Here is it. This is the bed I'm staying in this hostel, and this is a room for almost 5 people, and it costs $30 US only. For beautiful small stalls, shopping stalls here, and Ottawa. You can buy this nice stuff here in Ottawa. Different things.
That's one not gonna
Sorry's different. Yeah, so it's so hard.
And here is another market. Fruits, flowers, vegetables. Hey, what's up? Vegetables. Market. Strawberries. Different strawberries. Very beautiful. Today I'm in Ottawa, which is also called Ottawa, the capital of Canada. It is truly a historical place in Canada. It is the capital. There are many statues, historical buildings and everything you can find just in the background. You can see this is the Parliament Hill, the Parliament of the Canada building, which is very historical. And this city is actually cheaper than Toronto. I was in Toronto, but in terms of pricing and accommodation, this city is much cheaper than Canada, and it truly is a great tourist city.
Alright, so let's take my photo.
А где кума? Мы куму потеряли.
There are two beautiful things in the background. You can see one is the church, and the second thing is that. See it? Wow, so beautiful.
Samuel de Champlain statue. À notre gauche, on peut voir la statue de Samuel de Champlain. Samuel de Champlain was a French explorer and founder of Quebec City. Now on the statue, he is holding an astrolabe, but an astrolabe is meant to be held like this. For pleasure boating and fishing. Nous sommes présentement sur la rivière des Outaouais. La rivière des Outaouais coule sur plus de 1100 km du nord de l'Ontario jusque dans le World. Le canal Rideau a été construit de 1826 à 1832 par l'armée britannique sous la
Yeah, I was in Montreal. No, sorry, Toronto. So got these two for $9 Canadian for dinner. That's it. Tea.